Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming availability and policy for your Spaceship domain so you don't hit restrictions later. Once you have admin contact, DNS host, and payment method prepared, register immediately to hold the name. Make sure to pick a primary name plus 3-5 alternates to avoid delays if one is taken. This first momentum prevents domain squatting and gives you control of DNS early, which matters for SSL, email routing, and site setup. Once registration is complete, you configure DNS to route traffic and email correctly, point a records and CNAME to your host, and set MX to your mail provider. Then add SBF, DKIM, and DMARC so sent mail isn't flagged as spam. Next, request a TLS certificate and enable HTTPS. Make sure to add redirects like www to root to keep links consistent. These steps secure your domain and ensure reliable delivery and user trust as you build outward features. You finish by verifying propagation, testing site and email from different networks, and confirming TLS works everywhere. Then enable backups, monitoring, and auto-renew for both the registrar and certificates so the Spaceship domain stays yours. Make sure registry lock is applied if supportable. If something goes wrong, first recheck DNS records and TTLs, then verify registry status and whether propagation completed. Often a mistyped record.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.